Find or read reviews that people are talking about TOOLPUMDE upgraded tire inflator portable air compressor. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Extra large LED display, plus and or minus 0.5 psi precision. Upgraded with a larger, brighter LED screen, making pressure readings crystal clear at a glance day or night. Advanced sensors provide plus and or minus 0.5 psi accuracy for safer, more precise inflation. Preset your desired pressure and the portable air compressor automatically shuts off when reached. Units switch easily between PSI, BAR, and kPa. Dual power supply never gets stranded. Unlike ordinary inflators, this cordless tire inflator features true dual power flexibility, a 21-volt rechargeable lithium battery plus a built-in 12-volt DC port on the main unit. When battery power runs low, simply connect the included 9.8 feet car power cable to your vehicle, no battery removal required. Inflate anytime, anywhere, with zero downtime. Smart Modes One-Touch Inflation. Designed for effortless use, this tire pump offers multiple intelligent modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom. Simply select the mode and start inflating. For higher psi needs, custom mode supports pressures up to 160 psi, giving you full control when you need it. Metal inflatable structure built to last. Engineered with a durable metal cylinder and precision metal gears, this tire inflator portable air compressor delivers stable, high-efficiency performance. Capable of continuous operation up to 20 minutes and a maximum pressure of 160 psi, the air pump easily handles daily inflation tasks from pickup truck, SUV, cars to bikes faster, smoother, and more reliably. Not suitable for large truck tires. Auto shut-off and faster inflation. This car air pump ensures a worry-free experience with its auto shut-off feature. Simply set your desired pressure, start inflating, and the car air compressor will automatically stop once it reaches the right level, no more overinflating. With a rapid 50 lpm airflow, this air inflator can inflate a flat 195/40 R14 tire to 36 psi in 1 minute. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.